Two. Hey, there's a princess in the mirror. Is that you?
Yeah.
And what is your name?
Maida.
Your crown came off.
No, take.
What?
Take your hat off.
Take my hat off?
No, take your hat off.
Oh, shake my head? Oh, like this. Okay.
No, your hat.
With my hat on?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Not that way? You
no,
should.
that way.
That way. Okay.
No.
Did I do it right?
No, take your hand up like this.
I had to put my camera down.
And then you do that.
Okay, then let me put my camera right down there and I'll do it. Ready?
Yeah.
Is this the way to do it now? Here we go. And my hat came off.
Yeah.
That was it?
Yeah.
Good job, Granny.
Look, I did.
Can you dance for me? Can you swim? Hey, where is your dog? I thought you had a dog in the doghouse. Do you remember where the dog is? There was a big dog and there were two little dogs. Do you remember where they were?
I don't know.
I think they're in that doghouse right there. Aren't they? Look and see. The blue. See the blue house? I bet he's in there.
Yeah.
Is he in there? Well, why don't you bring him out? Where's the little dog?
I'm inside the house with the mama.
Inside the house with the mama?
Yeah.
Okay. Is his mama a nice mama?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Good job. Hey, there's the mama. And there's a little dog. What's his name?
I'm sorry.
Do you know his name?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Where did Grandpa Joe go? Where did he go?
I don't know.
Where did Mommy go?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
No, you don't? Well, I think they went to the store
Bye.
to buy some wood pellets
Bye.
to put in the grass where Grandpa Joe put the tarp down. He's going to make his flowers look real good because he put the black tarp down. And then he's going to put some mulch on the top. In the stroller? Why don't you take your baby for a ride in the stroller?
These babies.
Those ones?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, they're just two small puppy dogs. They want to go for a ride. You better give them a ride. Be careful you don't hit any bumps, though. Oh, good. They're going for a ride. I like that. Is that ride all over with now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, what should we do now?
No.
Not that?